Hello everyone, I am Aaron and today I have attended this program for Jarvis and today I will explain that how does code work. I have added this libraries in Python, and if you don't know that how to add library, you just have to go to a command prompt. You just type here command prompt and if you want to install a library pygame, so just you type pip install pygame and that will be installed. Now it is installed. Now you can see this is my program. I will explain. In this part, engine is equal to pytt sx3.init shapley 5. In this I have defined an engine, and pytt ss3 is a module which will help to insert the voice, and this voice is equal to engine dot get property voices. Engine to set property voice. For example, you can hear the voice different now.
Good afternoon, sir. It is 4:55 p.m. How may I help you, sir?
These are different voices, so if I will do like this 0 here, so I'll get different voices. This is an array.
Good afternoon, sir. It is 4:55 p.m. How may I help you, sir?
You can hear the voice changed. I have installed many voices.
Good afternoon, sir. It is 04:55 p.m.
They will do 4.
Good afternoon, sir. It is 04:56 p.m. How may I help you, sir?
Many voices.
Good afternoon, sir. It is 4.
Many voices, so I have choose this one only. So here, in dev speak, here I have made a here in that to say audio. So now it will speak that what you have typed, and from this it will run and wait. And this in this dev me, in which in this it will check that if the time is less than 12 and it is greater than 0, so it will say good morning, and if it is less than is equal to 12 and no, if it is greater than equal to 12 and less than 18, so it will say good afternoon, sir, or else it will say good evening, sir. And from this it will tell the battery. I will put it here. I think this is correct. And from this I is equal to SR recognizer. From this it will recognize our voice. From this part, from take command, it will understand our voice. And from def execute, it will start that how it work. For example, if in query I've used this query equal to take command, because from here take command, I've used this So query is going to take command dot lower. So from this, when what you will say, it will convert into lowercase. That's why I have done dot lower. Now if Wikipedia inquiry, so it will open Wikipedia and this program the email. This is a battery, and if you want the code, you can get in description. This is the code, and you can get that in description. Thank you.